This Fairfax Realty Select property video is presented by David Rodriguez. Wow! This is your forever home, amazing value with over $200,000 in renovation. Completely remodeled with the most premium materials and the best quality workmanship, all new LED light fixtures throughout. All new windows and doors throughout. Gorgeous open kitchen, premium waterproof laminate throughout home. Spectacular Italian tile all throughout first floor. All new bathrooms, private spacious fenced backyard with ample storage. Attic completely finished with plywood for storage plus new walk-up ladder. Amazing location. Close to the best schools, shopping centers and public transportation. For more information, review the details below or contact David Rodriguez at 703-785.